Hello student. Today our new topic is kinetic molecular theory of gases in state of matter. It is very important topic to describe the theory of the gases. There are main postulate of kinetic molecular theory. First is all gases are made up of very large number of minute particles. These minute particles are atoms or molecules. Atom are the smallest particles. It can't be seen by naked eye. It is seen by ultra microscope. The atom size at the atomic radius is about 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Therefore, it is very small particles. All the gas is made up by small particles like atoms or molecules. These molecules are separated from each other by large distance. We know that gaseous molecules have no force of attraction. They have large distance between to each other. Third is the molecules are randomly motion in all direction. Due to the presence of the activation energy, gaseous molecules are randomly motion, always randomly motion in all direction. They are in motion. They collide to each other and also with the wall of the container and thus change the direction. When they are combined to change the direction, right? When they move but collide to each other. Third is molecular collisions are perfectly elastic. It means these molecules are collide but does not lose their energy, right? Does not lose their energy. It means they collide but they change only direction, does not lose their energy. Fifth is there are no force of interaction between the molecules or according temperature, ordinary temperature and pressure. They move completely independent. It means at ordinary temperature and pressure, they have no force of attraction. We know that gaseous molecules are highly compressible, therefore the pressure increase the gaseous molecules, the force of attraction increase between the gaseous molecules. But at ordinary pressure and temperature, no force of interaction between the molecules, right? Third is the pressure exerted by the gas is due to the collisions of its molecules per unit area. It means when you increase the pressure, the colliding particles, no, sorry, these gases particles to collide each other but per unit area. Third is the average kinetic energy of gas molecules is directly proportional to the absolute temperature. It means temperature increase, kinetic energy increase. Or kinetic energy increase, it means motion increase. Randomly motion increase. Clear? Randomly motion increase. These are the some main postulate of the kinetic theory. It is very important topic. All the point are very important. Now our next topic is ideal gas equation. Ideal gas equation. Those gases which obey the ideal gas equation of all temperature and pressure is called ideal gas or perfect gas. We can say that the gases which obey the ideal gas equations entire the condition of temperature and pressure is called ideal gas or perfect gas, like PV is equals to nRT. However, none of the gas obey ideal gas equation. This is because no perfect gas or ideal gas available in our atmosphere, and it is not possible. There's the all gases behave PV is equals to nRT in all temperature and pressure, right? It is not possible. Gases show ideal behavior. They are which condition? It is in note. There are some conditions applied to gases show ideal behavior. First condition is at low pressure and high temperature. At low temperature and high pressure. But when the pressure become high and temperature become low, these gases show more and more deviation from ideal gas equation. It means when we apply the low pressure and high temperature, they show less deviation or more accuracy and obey the ideal gas equation. But when we increase the pressure high and temperature become low, they show more and more deviation. Second is real gas or non-ideal gas. The gas which do not obey the ideal gasification is all temperature and pressure is called real gas or ideal gas. It means PV is not equals to nRT is called real gas. All gases are real gases. All gases are real gases. This is because no gases behave ideal in all temperature and pressure. When we change the temperature, when we change the pressure, gases must be so deviation, right? No gas are ideal, all gases are real gases. The deviation of real gases, you can understand why a plot, these plot between PV against pressure according to Boyle's law. In this plot, the behavior of real gases at constant temperature according to Boyle's law, PV will be constant and PV versus P or all pressure will be straight line like this. Helium and hydrogen show the straight line, right? Straight line parallel to x-axis. Real gases is not a straight line. Two type of curve are often. H2 and He pressure increase, the value of PV also increase. On the other hand, CO and CH4, first there is a negative deviation so that PV decrease with increased pressure. After that, PV versus start increase and show positive deviation. Second, when we plot between pressure and volume, plot pressure versus volume, it is clear that they do not coincide. The high pressure, the measured volume is more than the calculated volume. However, at low pressure, measured and calculated volume almost approach each other like this. Dotted line indicates the ideal gas and dark line indicate to the real gas. There are all gases behave real gas and at low pressure. At low pressure, it means pressure decrease. We see that the ideal lines and real gas line are almost parallel to each other, right? Now these are the deviation of gases, right? Thank you.